Hola! I wanted to send out an update after the first week. I know this week was very difficult for everyone, so I want to thank you for your patience. I have created an updated video so that you all can watch and see what things I have adjusted to help the students out. So as you see on the screen, the update, so the first thing that I adjusted was that all assignments, including their warm-up and their exit ticket, are now located in one location. Before, I had the warm-up and exit tickets in their weekly agenda, and their assignments were located in the weekly assignments. I have now put them all together so that it is easier for you to navigate. The other thing that I have adjusted is that there will no longer be text boxes on the worksheet. So I will remove all of those. Before it said type here. I apologize, I thought I was making that easier on your half, but I understand that it was actually more difficult for you all, so I will be removing text box on your Google Slides, which are your worksheets, so that this way you can just create your own text box, or if you would rather open it up as a PDF, you can do it that way and just mark it up. One thing that I want to go over and to reiterate is that to remember your work is due on a daily basis. I know in the spring you guys were able to complete the work at your own time. It was just due by the end of the week. However, this school year it is not like that. Every single day you should be working during your designated class time. So whatever time your normal block is, whether it be 7:20 to 8:38, 8:53 to 10:11, or block 5 is 1:02 to 2:20, you are expected to be logged in and doing the work for that day at that time. You are not to work ahead. You are only to complete the assignments for that day. So just to remember, you need to complete each assignment on a daily basis. I will be going back in to Google Classroom every night to check on what assignments you have completed. If you did not complete that assignment for that day, you will be receiving a 0. So please make sure that every single day you are logging in and that you are completing the work for that day at the given class time. So to go onto Google Classroom, you guys can see here is an example of my Block 1 class. I have also added the time, so you can see it says 7:20 to 8:38. This is to help you memorize when you are remote what times you should be working for my class. So for Block 1, you should be working on Spanish work from 7:20 to 8:38. Don't forget to complete that attendance question because that is what I will be using. Whether you are remote or in person, that question needs to be answered. So now I'm going to show you the adjustments that I have made for week 2. So on classwork, you guys can see all of the different tabs. So I will show you the weekly agenda in the Work Hub. So this link will bring up the agenda for the week. Just to show you guys, everyone will be on the same schedule. That means kids' last names A through K and kids' last names L through Z. That is why it says all students. This is what you need to complete during the day, so this is just your daily agenda. So I recommend first you log into Google Classroom, complete your attendance question, and then click on your agenda and look at what you will be learning that day. So again, every single day is included here, and your important dates is also very, very, very important to click on. You guys can see when upcoming tests and quizzes are. Now, the biggest adjustment for next week, which I still have to do some things, but you guys can see that instead of doing one long document for the whole week, it is now broken up daily. So every single assignment will say work for Monday and the date, work for Tuesday, the date, work for Wednesday, work for Thursday, and work for Friday. This way you know what exactly you need to complete. All you have to do is on Monday you are going to go in, you are going to click on that assignment, and now you will see I have included your warm-up question here. So your warm-up ticket is going to be included with all of your other assignments. After your warm-up, you will then go through and complete your assignments for that day. And then if there is an exit ticket, it will also be included here. So all of your work for that day will be included in one document. Now for Tuesday, I would log back in. I'll click on Tuesday. Everything I need to do for Tuesday is going to be under this document. Work for Tuesday, 9/15, or whatever the date may be. Again, there is your warm-up. Here are all of your different work that you need to complete. Then you have your exit ticket, and then it's going to tell you you are done for the day. This way, it is easier for you guys. You know exactly what you need to complete every single day. So those are my adjustments for week 2. Again, I just wanted to send out a video going back over those. I thank you for your patience. I know it has been hard with technology, but I really appreciate all your feedback. Hopefully these adjustments will make it easier for you guys to navigate as well as to complete your work.